Are you fed up with waking up only to find that your expensive landscaping has turned into a free, all-you-can-eat midnight salad bar for your neighboring deer? It's incredibly frustrating to see all your hard work get munched down to the stems. But before you build a 10-foot fence, let's talk a smarter strategy. Today, I'm going to show you some of the absolute best native perennials that deer naturally despise. And speaking of keeping things that you value, hitting that like and subscribe button costs $0 and ensures that you'll never miss another garden-saving tip. Now, let's go build your anti-deer fortress. If you want to keep the deer away, first you have to attack their sensitive noses. Enter the mint family. To us, natives like Monarda, Agastache, and mountain mint smell amazing. But to deer, their strong minty fragrance raises a massive red flag. They'll completely bypass these gorgeous blooms and leave the nectar wide open for hummingbirds and butterflies who are completely unfazed by the smell. This is literal olfactory warfare, and it works. You got a dry, baked spot in full sun? Stop planting those delicate exotics that deer tend to munch on and swap in some goldenrod and Coreopsis. These native wildflowers are tough, rugged, and completely unappetizing to deer. But while the deer walk right past them, your local pollinators will treat these golden blooms like a VIP lounge. If you've got a wetter area in full sun, it's time to bring out the heavy artillery, milkweed. Deer tend to steer away from these tall beauties because they're filled with the thick, sticky sap that they absolutely hate. And you know the best part? Milkweed is the only host for the monarch butterfly. Whether you choose common, world, swamp milkweed, or butterfly weed, you're kicking out those deer and rolling in the red carpet for the monarchs. Need a companion to your milkweed? Joe Pieweed and Culver's root are your garden's towering bodyguards. They thrive in moist soils and full sun, and although they look lush and delicious, the deer tend to avoid browsing on them. They add massive vertical elements to your garden without adding to the deer's menu. What about that wet, shady spot in your garden that gets trampled by everything? Look to Lobelia. These vibrant red blooms practically glow in the shade. Hummingbirds fight each other over the tubular blossoms, but deer, they couldn't care less. Finally, stop letting the deer trample your bare dirt. Cover it up with native ground covers like Allegheny Spurge for deep shade or hardy Geranium for part shade to full sun. They spread out, choke out the weeds, and provide zero nutritional value for a passing herd. Now before you go, here is your gardening reality check. Deer resistant does not mean deer proof. If a deer is starving in the middle of winter, he'll eat a plastic lawn flamingo. While no plant is 100% safe, by planting these native species, you're giving your garden the best chance at survival. If you want to protect the non-native plants you already have in your garden, grab yourself a bottle of organic Deer Out. You just spray it on the leaves once a month, and guess what the main ingredient is? Peppermint oil, nature's very own deer deterrent. So get planting, get spraying, and take your yard back. We'll see you next time.